So, Dave, do you expect the CDC eviction moratorium to actually end July 31st now that the U.S. Supreme Court has ruled that the CDC has overstepped its authority?
Yes, and for a couple reasons, Sharon. First of all, I think the Supreme Court was absolutely correct. This was an unconstitutional taking under the Fifth Amendment. It should not have been allowed to go forward. The government took property from thousands and thousands of landlords without compensation. Now, you might be able to justify that for a few months, but basically the country shut down in mid-March and really began to open again in May. And I think you could have said that the emergency, was pretty much that key emergency period pretty much ended the CDC's authority to engage in such unconstitutional conduct. So I don't think, well, obviously it's the Supreme Court. I don't think that there will be an end around attempt because it would be too devastating for the government. The second part is, though, is that I personally did not expect even the current administration to extend the moratorium past July 31st. So they, number one, were probably planning to finally let it go anyway. And so on top of the Supreme Court ruling, I think this is a done deal, and it couldn't come too soon for many landlords. Remember that many landlords in the United States rent one or two houses or one or two units, or rent a cottage or a garage apartment, are not these gigantic landlord companies operating these 500-unit apartment complexes. And so this was a very significant economic impact, and frankly, I'm very glad to see it over.